Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we're gonna see on how we can install Vim on our CentOS system. So let's get started. Installing Vim is quite easy. So you need to type in the command which is sudo yum install vim hyphen enhanced space hyphen y, and we'll see this would download the modules of Vim from the internet. So now in order to check whether Vim is installed or not, you can type in the command which is vim, and we can see that Vim is installed on our computer. So now we'll see on how we can remove Vim from our CentOS system. So removing Vim is quite easy. So you need to type in the command which is sudo yum remove Vim and press yes. And as we can see here, the package Vim is removed from our CentOS system. So if we can type in the command which is vim, it would show us that there is no such directory. So this completes our lab on how to install and remove Vim on our CentOS system.